What I came up with combining a base of VOTAGOO range green plate carrier. This product included a vest, a front 5.56 mag placard and drop pouch. What impressed me most is that all its quick release buckles are detachable and replaceable. Some stuff that's a pretty simple sometimes presents little challenges in war or airsoft activities when your buckle's broken. Whenever this happens, you can just take out the spare buttons and start replacing them. Even if the buckle is accidentally broken during use, you can do this to temporarily use it. And as you can see, I've put the shoulder strap to go over it. So what that does is it snugs right up against your body. What makes this vest specifically special is that it can be adapted to different sizes plates. And I think that's a really good thing. As you can see, I replaced the original plate with a medium one. By adjusting the tabs on the side of the vest, you can hold your plate firmly like a spider whatever you're using. Whether that's a some cut, spike or armor combination, essentially these tabs right here wrapple around whatever you insert and hold the tab in. The front mag placard is definitely perfect to add 3 magazines. You can carry extra medical supplies or general purpose stuff in the main bag. They're perfect for even SMG or M4 mags. And again, you can put like 9mm magazines in there. The ITW or UTX compatible 1-inch buckles mean that you can slap on a variety of front panels. This front mag placard can be disassembled and combined with your own harness as a tactical chest rig. You could also basically use the tactical drop pouch as a waist bag too. However you see fit and find the build match to allow you to just have that comfortable side against the body. And I think that's a really good thing. With all the other adjustments, I think, overall, I'm really happy with how this came out.